Welcome to the NERO DeFi staking tutorial. DeFi staking offers flexible earning options. You can choose between different lock durations and APRs depending on your goals, from short-term liquidity to higher long-term rewards. First, open the official NERO staking platform and select DeFi staking. Connect your wallet. Browse the available staking plans and compare their APRs and lock durations. Select a plan and enter the amount of NERO you want to stake. Click Confirm and approve the transaction in your wallet. When the staking period ends, simply click Unlock or Claim to receive your rewards. Start earning with NERO DeFi staking today.